Riu haha mundu wetagwo Njuguna wa Irimũ agithi gitohothi duka niki during of Rironi Mau Summit Highway under PPP
public private partnership.
Yes, reggae 15 CBD funded rural roads guku tawo ndu matura guku managenaga irege ni riri yamaikaga northern bypass
dually
yuko ere during financing
itino ya kiria ya hale maruru
ini ngakimiona northern bypass gucia ganere idia gogo gathi ginya igathi ito nyitano gathi ginya kere kaidu kurudo gegera gira kuwa gawangigia kuna kaundu kau nijo tugako tukimeyagiriria kimeyukitu irege financing package for Kiambu Road.
Oh, dwelling.
Ana
to northern bypass. Okay.
Nidona. Kora bari thego nikifisho. Waina kanya kadhaa geta wahatea. Kwaro kama giugo gari itama ihetoke. Nidona. Kiambu Road dwelling to northern bypass.
Iroke nyitane na umenye Kiambu Road ile nyitane na northern bypass hare ya Fourway.
Nidona how Fourway. Iro wena hena itiki.
Egiduo Kiambu Road na northern bypass.
Edwana horo Nithi Bridge nukurikana na president ya kuria thagara ni oragio muno horo igi Nithi Bridge kutura kuna accidents nikikuna nyamuiretu intelligent traffic management system horo igi jamu igi kuro town cia wana mu
ITMS
itago ITMS irege ne Eldoret City Roads nidikana Eldoret ni atukire city na numuga ga thekane gutuika ni gatuika Eldoret Eastern Bypass yajaga irane henya.
Wow.
2 dwelling ya city Chepsa iretwo
city
Chepsarai Gay Mairitesa
Chepsarai
na gikuretwo Mosoriot Moi Ben Junction Chepkoirel University Queenet Moi Ben Junction na Marura Center. Ndio hizo ni
project
icio no abanyo toka ke chokia handu niguo kimenye tutijuru ona nema murigo haliriri urugo to kejede andikia koria menko oria good relationship ino ya munene etu maude yarehe wabere kwina nyamuiretwo Kikabala SEZ ne chenyu ni raka investment marako kwa make invest $150 million andika dumirogo giridano na special economic zone ya Uhuru manufacturing nero yuko thino akiri kwina ki textile garment and solar power factories in Amuranga and Athi River. Your investment ya $20 million, part of $300 million for 10 years mawira giri mugwanja. Machakos gukoro kwina mawira giri ithatu investment of $100 million, expansion ya R&D in Kenya kuna mwana wa Machakos nyowe thiyo ubone jo twakoto gitaria andu acio kuna horo igi mikawa kuna mikawa egutuika acquisition of hotels shiganona na plans to acquire lease and existing hotels he mukawa wa muno wa hingiro nyokuoyo $23 million kwena horo igi factory for traffic tech components 50 acres identified in Amuranga mawira giridano nikundo kuingi kwena horo we ndunguko heni Kajiado le no wako kiganda kinene muno feed plant investment $30 million maira magana 5 Helen breeding and feeding factory ya nguku taremo nemwe ngiri magana 5 kule bali ku investment of $40 million aloe cultivation dokime aloe vera processing and grape na apple seedlings projects kuna mwana wa Bariko $40 million. Leo no ishara ya Kenya China relations na ile kitu kwa horo hii project wa ile tunonge hizo tu hapa taidha makamenya leo ndio tumero ucho nugo muthamaki wanyu